Hey, what's up everybody, how are you doing? I hope you're doing fine. Welcome to my video, and in this video we are going to talk about the major update which I issued to my GST automation tool. Now I will show you the GST automation tool. If you see, the tool has been converted into an .exe file. So you just need to .exe file and just need to run this tool. It will take some time, have a patience, and you will see here some changelogs, some instruction that you need to take into consideration before running the tool. Now let's talk about the changelog. The first changelog is that I have added the support for the Google Chrome as well as the Mozilla Firefox in addition to the Microsoft Edge, and along with that also I have automated the web process of downloading the WebDriver. So if you don't know the tool, I will also drop down the link of the video regarding where I explained the Python code and how the tool has been worked around. So in that video I also told about that you need a WebDriver, which is nothing but the .exe file, which is used by the Selenium to play with the web pages. But now I have automated that process also. So what does the tool does is that based on the browser which has been installed on your machine, it will recognize the version, and based on that version it will automatically download the WebDriver. I have also provided here, as you can see, the path of the WebDriver. So once you are done with the tool, you can also delete that too. The third changelog is that I have done some kind of the formatting in the output Excel. So now whatever will be printed in the output Excel is very easily readable. And the fourth changelog, you can say that the whole code has been converted to the .exe file. So now you just need that only one file and all the dependencies are embedded in that. Now let's talk about the issues. So as you can see here, I have written as download from the Google Drive will give you a pop-up file that the file might be infected. So from Google point of view, whenever you download that exe file, I have given the Google Drive link in the descriptions. You might see a pop-up that the file is malicious. This is because Google is saying that this tool contains a lot of scripts, lot of automations. So from the Google perspective, the Google is saying that it is a malicious file. But what I did is that I have dropped this GST automation tool exe file on the virusrotor.com, and what virusrotor.com does is that it uploads this file to plenty virus scanners around the globe, and out of 72, only 2 have detected the same, namely the Google, as you can see here, and the Cylance. Apart from that, the remaining 70 has stated that this file is very much clean. As you can see down the report is very much clean, so you can easily download this exe file without any issues. Now to start the tool, you need to press space bar and then enter. As you can see here, it is saying that enter the path of the input file. Let's talk about the input file. So I have opened up here the input file, which is book1.xlsx. First thing is that this supports only .xlsx files. Second thing, the input Excel should be in this format where the first row is the GST number, and from second you can write the GST numbers. Also make sure that if this is a complete GST number, there are no spaces on that. Now I will just close this Excel because bot will access this Excel file, and I had to give the file path of the input Excel. So I will just copy the path and I will add here what is the name of the Excel is the book1. So be sure that it's a very case sensitive, and press enter. Now it is asking me to give the path for output file. So I want that file to be in the same directory where the input file is located. So I will just write output.xlsx. And once I hit on enter, it will ask me to choose the browser which is installed on your machine. Now in my case, Edge is installed, so I will click Edge, and once I hit the Edge, it will download that WebDriver. You will also see that the process of the downloading of the WebDriver. As you can see here, the WebDriver has been successfully installed. Now it will open up the Microsoft Edge. It will go to the GST set, also will maximize the window. It will enter the GST from the input Excel in that respective field and wait for us to write the CAPTCHA. We will write the CAPTCHA. Once we write the CAPTCHA, it will automatically hit on the search button, go to the show filing table, and it will do the job as it is. The version 2, whatever the job has been done, the same it is there. So if you want to just get the idea of Python code, what is the backend processes going on, I will give you the link of that video down in the description box below. So you can watch there and get a basic understanding regarding how this tool works. Now this might take several time to process because it is very subjective. It depends upon your machines, your specs. Obviously the higher specs will take lower time and vice versa. As you can see, the first GST has been processed successfully. Now it is asking for me to write the CAPTCHA for the second GST number, and we will write the CAPTCHA. it will again hit on search button and will do the same process. As you can see, the Microsoft Edge has been closed down. Command prompt is also closed down. That means our job is done. Now what we need to go is the directory where which we taught to the bot, where the output Excel will be there. And as you can see here, the output Excel is there, and the time is very much similar. So just run this, open this Excel, and you will see the whatever the data has been scrapped. In the earlier version, there was some kind of the formatting error, and there was some kind of the error while opening the Excel. That also has been fixed with the use of OpenPyXL module. And as you can see, the data is very much readable format, unlike the version 2 of this bot. And for this second GSTN number also there is a data. Okay, so that's it for the video. This was very short video. I feel this was a major update I issued to this GST tool, and probably I'm thinking this will be a final update to this GST tool. But yes, if you find kind of any bugs, any kind of the improvements, any kind of the suggestions, write down the mail ID. I will put it down in the description box below. Also, you can comment on this video. I will try to solve your maximum queries. And yes, do like and share and subscribe and share this video to all of your friends to get an understanding regarding how we can automate these manual processes to boost up your productivity and efficiency. So yeah, thank you so much. Till then, bye bye.